Hi, I'm Jesse Adler and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the GoPro Max. It's the latest GoPro 360 camera and unveiled along with the GoPro Hero 8. Here I am opening up the box. And there's some packaging inside. It's some blown up plastic with air. There's the box for the GoPro. It's like any other GoPro box with the camera sitting right on top and impossible to open. Without tearing it, of course. There it is. Let's take off the packaging, and there it is. And I'm contemplating how to open it. I'm gonna go with ripping it. I actually looked up after the making of this video how to open one of the boxes, and I actually found out there's like a tab that you have to pull on the bottom. So you should do that when you open yours. But, there I am, opening it up. And the top comes right off. There's the GoPro on its little stand. There's a little retainer on there so that the GoPro can't bend back and forth, which I guess is so that you don't hit the side of the plastic wall and break the lens during shipping, which is a good feature that I didn't actually get on my Hero 5 session. Inside the box, there is a little sack for it, which inside the sack has two of the little bubble lens covers. They're clear, they go over the lens, but they are very hard to get out. So, yeah, those are them. They go over the lens, and they have the little plastic covers over them so they don't get scratched in shipping. They seemed pretty hard to get on, so I didn't put them on right then. But there's the battery. It does not come pre-charged. There's a mount for it, and two lens covers for when you're not using the camera. I've found these incredibly handy when I've been using it. I would not suggest using a knife to get it off. That doesn't work very well. Just use your fingernail. It comes off pretty easily. And last of all, there's a charging cable inside. And I do want to say, oh, there's a little card also about how to take the camera off and put some stuff on it. And I do want to say it does not come with a flat mount for mounting this stuff like most GoPros do. It only comes with a curved mount, as you can see on the ground there that I pulled out earlier. I got that off. The retainer is still holding it, so it's not going anywhere, and I'm contemplating on how to get that off. And, I actually hadn't noticed, but there is a manual inside. It's kind of hidden in the box, so don't throw it out until you've gotten that out. But yeah, that's how the box is. It's packaged pretty well, and yeah, it's pretty good. I've had a lot of fun with the camera.